voice way. Your popular pop culture artist or voice in kakra for penasempa. J-Bad.
J-Bad say more times me picture. Me see that me want to say my advice, you know. Because J-Bad say we should smoking cigarette more.
Wow, let's okay. More similarities of voice. Now we know what is going because J-Bad am for penny voice, pa. Okay, asaka for nima ye poster. People really love J-Bad.
Now me just smoking grass, you know. The boy me didi anu mafe.
O didi anu throw up.
Me didi anu of course me dey share me once I ask me didi we are I was me smoking. And so me didi was me smoking.
E do baby say tea cry na obe no man just offer appetizer tea cry tea cry is all ship and made
e kan we man here there
e kan we matini the first experience with marijuana say you
no me no e ma me feel a bit calm e ma me very calm because I'm all gra me should din
3 miles the
because I'm one this me feel Mudim come on, Miss Maiti, the president Casubia.
My auntie social kakra.
Yeah,
I was for my mama Kwaba, a bashua, me no me, I can't. Now, me say, home pro, sell Behudi and Eba Becosi. You are welcome to Pamuka Show. Catch yourself. Show when you share. I be rerun sema equipa brema way entertainment industry mu. Na me am no be di jumade. Your from me portfolio the MC. Na if Sammy ya Jibre na ye no windi nkomo bi. Ene me guest amenya ni studio ha no. Minim se wonim no. What in nka. Na sema ye ba be bie so. Abranti a ene. The last time ni abranti share. Abranti kasa se futuo bi. O kasa na se. Na say Anya musician ya say na make na nipa o kan yon no a o hwa abranti na kotibia bi mama ene o de bi afutuo ama ne fellow musicians na say artists a o mo sa situation na o de ne de eye mfato ho me guest one of America's drill sensation Lucky Buster yeje krato ma ye twa ye ho ba woni no nyina ye ndi sa nkomwe Pamuka Show Aseda Radio koso a ne subscribe on YouTube ne beka ye ho ye twa ye ho bra ne Lucky Buster endi nkomo yesama makwaba biem se da mekai no ene ye baba be bie keys maka jo se Pamuka Show die eye keys nkwan na bie because information wo wiase amanfo so wo keys na when me nya bema wonya bema menim say wotie ne nwom ne ade one of the most viral tracks which is Mugamu out there ne me ne share ye ba be share beyond music personal life encounter experience on no akom na me de semenya in studio because this is one of the social issues aban ni nyina to no wansi wo say obeka ho asem ne yankasa ye superstar Lucky Buster to no wansi wo say one me be che sansem ne bema ye ho ache rough.
Sure.
Aye. Charlie. Now, there is something here. I say me busa man for. Obi beka say. Ye voice no. Once I kasa ya me so obi to o kasa eh akwa voice there no okonya no obi aka cho obi ehu aka cho say masa o voice there ese beyond jizi ana say obi sada.
Voice there be o mo kan. And I start hearing music in a husky, but I am more husky.
So Obi say I'm on 40 on you ma. Obi say yeah the computer be na alpha voice mo na bia obo base now. That is why I have to talk having a more material self voice na organic.
Sanity.
Yeah. Na sanity. What is Obi can say akwa voice e baron for voice. Make a baron for voice at me say. And you ma wo.
Master so mo can say ne kwa miya. My friend be Charles Buster or say name audio because they are voice the other no me fire. Me stress
yeah.
So me manum be that bet no more. Me jai.
What jai?
Me jai ni na.
What jai?
Smoke, drink, me beer.
Lucky Buster. Untime hwe camera we anim entwa me intro.
Intro to portfolio.
Look
to the world me jai beer.
When was the last time I was smoky?
Last time I was smoking 28th April 2020.
Okay, 2020 last year
last year.
Enti so jot mu kra say ode
men so ade smoke mu from 28th April last year.
The first time I'm here, I saw me old pictures. Now you better try near old pictures, images. Now maybe who for from? I want to killer. Now say killer who images near there, but now you're talented. Intimate. The first time I met you, I was hosting a program. Oh, DCM DC Homecoming. Now me who young boy be a sata mintini din so. O see stage no see the crowd no just so them say na go where o see stage you so say among for body tell when me start to pay attention say hey any superstars e won man on my tell me dey already so but the street have their own superstars I want me who but sata me who no they say problem say o left side me who dey na say killer say ma say obi because of South State na who dey chrono to so that
there be another but obi me who adwin say we bad. I know be woni ti
Lucky Bonster na say we bad boy minimum street ni but lie ben na wonye bi da e wo street ni lie ben na nya bi
da trono nya me
on kwase da
be inside and outside on the street bia minimum
on kwase da
minye bi da
onya babe da
minye bi da
Bonster
but mo ye nyini ni mo say street need also you know inside and outside.
Say what be superstar? Ebia you are very cautious and also you are very mindful of certain past about you our person worker. Enti na ebia o person ye but o person chase street ne like keshe bi wa ha unye bi da.
There be. Me more times cause they say me if say me enter guitar. I am to me friends name of
Sase mo ne ye ba bebo so sese we obi a we hardcore hip hop we pop culture streets kind of music and then Lucky Bonster meeting can Lucky Bonster launch campaign against smoking and I'm say hey I go lose ne fan base so because we for ni ya down street for ni ya down bad boys no mo ya down pa ne wo a wo de omo ko ne wo ba be am be for snitch e dem painting ne wo pa matise na wutimi shi job 3 packs a day. Tell me about that then I'll go to
like we a boy who in the street lots of influence and I will be coming across and I will like here who bit major one year like you want me jai it me good for me na me continuous on say hip hop it goes with drinking and
what say who free fin tema ultimate to company bim sa na say they what bring a night to say is it because say bia uti who few parents on tem into might me supervise say oni bi
na me still na me to me papa fie
okay
one thing I make my say mommy here bad here like divorce and me papa
okay
I say like broken home back and the new movie
brave
with my grass say bia
obi o ko show mama ho
uncle now we all like
right
when me to again now we be a master
yes me so the what be o ya say and me yes what me no record wo bo shen no record wo crowfrom no record wo DC
I don't say what the guy was saying you man the man
yo but I mean yes these are one of those things as a boy they over explore kakrani and but let's talk about how make it say no me from drag the time sir
bibisa
what it is the last time share Lucky Bonster no kasa say o two funam say who what me jai and they say
me try to be to Facebook
right
and I'm see been there done that
yes
me like situation I me enter me name
and now only make am yes you as o kan now bo ani kura ni so enya beba
me serious o me fi moja bebrebe
who's the bena assembly see ya starting my the cool situation ma e kan nyame nko a kan de besisi ya hu say no sam ready I was say wo fa ho adwe o Draxon
what's that nipa o I do is like depression is a role.
Yes.
You can go into a situation, you know you're depressed into on a low no. If you do in Monsanoma, obey more of alcohol, do in smoking, obey more of smoking. Into me issue be with family and my music career and the identity more times than we indoors.
Who free family of intellectuals and family of Marco school. Or Marco school be great or more expect to say you say a banner bear this kind of person now knows why I you say over to street culture.
Ghana I know. Like your parents then me person me back to school. Me person is me graduate SHS. Me was say this is what I want to do. I want to do music. And papa, me father a pastor. Preachers came.
So but why Uzi Sadio we free Bible moon now. Eli manu ne ade. Why are preachers kid always the supposed outlaws? Now decision ya wo fe. Na say wonim say papa enye ne de. Because e bi o person o kasa me be ma tentigram o boka so pa na wo gina papa, o papa wa di na de na wo ye ya. So because I also that's what in faith. How does he respond to, because they say who be oboso I just say you
tattoo.
What say who you know Obama? It's tattooing one of decisions, so I regret it.
There be me regret it tattoo that.
Hey,
baby back on.
Now you say where's your papa there? One in like what fast what they are boarding visa.
The thing is, if we are saying tattoo no, once my tattoo tattoo na my I do be one sign. Tattoo na my name go ni but tattoo na my name mo be go prison. And yeah, me personal choice na take.
Okay, so if you are talking about personal choice, it was your personal choice, ube go into drugs. Why did you buy out of drugs? I want to let's share that experience, because there are a lot of people who started street culture now. Who say, normal, say, we hip hop there. We say, yes. I mean, but a be abuse now. Me person will share that or near death experience now, and then a whole lucky monster, bad boy, and then anti-drugs campaign. How? Share with us that experience.
And I'm here say like 2019.
Right.
Now me go through personal issues, be like
depression. What's the depression? It doesn't mean say I'm not for say akwawe be a one for pressure be or more too, because say be on for a Game Boy, so more too pressure be between say no see so mako manim ja na say we a superstar we person a superstar now nyom ntimi call ho nema depression and as
enya say na me na family issue do that na me feel more.
Okay.
And I'm saying smoking more times no we fear now smoking.
Now were you then and now we and did Scarborough that time?
Oh, now me I do work for my father.
Okay. I've seen most of your year. I've seen you hustling. One of the things I respect about you, let me confess, you are not ashamed of your hustle. You are always that guy who bosses, because me tell me I'm show pictures who are force bill. Now we know your picture. This is the same person you see on the music stage, like, and that's the thing that I respect about you very much. That was just by the by. So let's go on. Yeah.
More times now me go indoors, we be smoking now. Now me normally more. Me normally.
We dey charge and drink so short.
We dey charge and drink so. Me feeling some pains on my chest.
Your dad knows. No, him say you are in drugs.
No, him. Now me father him. Now me mom him. On calm is my jai. Because me mum say Grammy, and I want children. Because no evidence, no case.
All these years, Nina. Now who like you must to be out with you when you're so gone. I know you too. And you want to move out where you trim no over.
Say Grammy. No evidence, no.
The number for Umami, some sorry, and I'm more Umami sorry. Aha, or your pastor son. Ni number for Obia Mammy Merco active. The number for betting young who say Auntie Susanna for no, or Momano can't say, na they know by any wing, and I want to mean can I say, son, your man, I am mammy, no more pressure or more
fro in and out, the people so chill like that.
Timber out the pass away a catcher.
Oh, me a catch.
Oh, he near the idea. Maybe my missing or bed or this kind of big watching near the idea. So I understand. Okay, so you were depressed, you were indoors, and a man smoking
here more. Some pains in my chest.
But before then, not only the implications of smoking.
Send my hair jai as I them. Indeed, air cost on a pains in my chest. I'm saying, situation I'm in hair jai and beam never.
Okay.
But this time around, make the whole one time behind. And I'm saying, like, my breakfast season one time.
Who me at you?
Season one time. It's a season.
Room.
No room.
Obi any unche.
Na me da hall. Na boy bi wo e wo nche friend o ma
Alright.
Nti no ada, nti me coffee ya na me use blood. Be nti ma me na hu na me cleaning. And I'm saying call washroom and I'm feel blood more and I'm saying hey. I did
no, episode 4. Yeah, show. Lucky Bone Star and a team anymore. When you nipa bia makofana free baby, wouldn't him know. Or your music sensation, you know him. Inti nipa bia nipa who be yakofana sia. Or share experience with drugs. Any the iron. What fi moja e wo room?
Me fi moja bebrebe.
Ana wo hu ya tua.
Me hu mi tua. Inti me coffee once na me say. La de baby bebrebe. Easy portfolio, hey. Now a guy me boy ground. On say me. No say you are the people smoking my friend the retro stage.
Eh, more times mo na mo ni mo.
Then the end of the scientific.
Eh, mo tebi am no say
like yes so uja I didn't feel system. Say body na you used to.
Right.
Inti body na you used to know. And I also found my body ni bi mo to
Tete kakra.
Joke hospital now. Yeah, walk on here. It be one injection by 7.
Who do stage your friend no take no. Take because my TV said take here. Afa do baby na unya bi no ma na ho eye wo do sa stage.
Baby. Me na me control it.
And then now to me enom pack off. So no both marijuana and cigarette.
I did more of cigarette more.
And now to me no pack bese.
Man no ma grab one pack dem no a day.
When you hang out to one pack, and you studio enyom dey out to me no say.
Studio you want me go no but maybe I want now wait to the studio take care mo. I will tinted glass now go. Police need now me teach you.
America forget to her.
Yeah, me teach you. But from point America. And for police they will come for mining, papa and wine, we jam work
Wow. Now, how that no she way, Boani and Clay. When a cattle was said, oh, bosh shit, and I saw your drugs and more lyrics as a musician, and more vibe as a musician was studio. I'm at saving producers, Nibe Breo, ha, Muno Mona Shishi was studio, and Sana Maya. Oh, Massa wouldn't be. Yes, Okono, one can say, come on, Massa. You have energy, yes, energy been a diamond until we call produce a go on to me, Cassie so 9 years, and them no more shit, no more young lyrics name, but
says maybe smoky, all right. But and one never more energy. Music, aside say what talent, you need to learn more about the craft. You also see how rehearsing.
Your lyrics, what kind of lyrics, no? So one share, won't mean those kind of nyama now use when you listen to Mugamu. A street anthem. Mugamu to say, hardcore, just say, so it means that, but you know, say a lot of, almost make me say 80% of guys now anymore into drugs. Or circles into drugs.
Most of them are 80% people.
So, till when I feel now, who say, I feel, oh, recover. Now then I'll discipline who for almost 1 year. You've never touched a stick of cigarette.
I didn't want me discipline on say, what do who quanta?
Science experience na person o share.
And what do who quanta? Say you have a lot to give to the world. Who choose between death and life? And I want I am the woman. And I'm choosing life. It's to choose life. And I was saying, quit TBBR. Drinking, smoking, everything.
Doctor Oshel, I was saying, or catch when he was.
Or catch him, they said, no being coming, me, a graduate. Zebia, Naman non park and coming to so that I'm graduates and me get 12.
Oh, that's all tears in media.
There be me get 12. Me come here, I'm going all out. I'm catching say, what do you own me injection in Ra? Eben my okay.
Yes, I do baby lucky boss that be my sitting grandma nam hu nyina now yare.
Oh, obey yare. Smoking there, cigarettes there.
That's that time or recording in studio come in your manet saying
what's there? More now be smoking there. You deal with your breath.
Okay. It's a go out boot cra.
Put me who hear about me choky. Cause home you know now all the smoke alpha lungs ni man ti ho many ni was I
enti se o kira na che se nye even cry nye smoking na o voice naturally wunni say ya na neti
net say be smoking na mana more husky.
Hey, oh, okay. Wow. So only I can say areas who tip pupu our video. The voice now the rap now your doubt how voice me at the adina. There is more to how you say it. Of course, to be a manka when you obey so lady voice way. Your popular pop culture artist or voice in kakra for penasempa. J-Bad.
J-Bad say more times me picture. Me say that me when say my advice because J-Bad say we should smoke cigarette more.
Wow. Let's okay. Mona more similarities of voice. Mona we name what is going because J-Bad am for penny voice pa. Okay, asaka for nima ye poster. People really love J-Bad, but among for also associate say he might be on substance be and I will feel say one in connection be anytime I want the pictures be only J-Bad connection.
Yeah, honestly me want in person my advice because cigarette in the toss any weed now.
Also future.
Oh future because like or spit like on my new brand like I'm a Ghana music new into the life new here and I'm more to give the world new here into if obeys more intoxication or obey in the life.
Wow.
There was a put stop about one more.
Wow. I feel we hear what you say, be chai smoking. One number for circles. Saying I feel when no city that Masaya first open no man or a jump like first no who will be on smoking as or a jump is that.
Me say me who smoking. Me bad and I'm not a bad influencer.
Okay.
Also or you bad, but Ubu or be a chinchina or pursue you.
Yes.
Me that kind of person.
Yeah, I remember crashing me crying. First day I was tempted to take alcohol. Now me on the midst of people who really love alcohol. And you say, but there was this person I'll catch him say, oh no, take alcohol, catch him say I should never try.
Me sana me bad influencer. Me show such chinchina ku yebi. But show say me kura me media you and come kura.
It is say well now for no we are very close to you. How are they taking your new behavioral change like your attitude? They say as a why your home BBBB my boy say hi cry as a pure one as a guilty conscience we as say like how they
still now me go get to me go now be smoky be your life but it be so feel say you like me nyanaka.
Oh, okay, your mom got for advice a quite better now for Suja. So it means the ghettos really want to bow out of smoking. Like there are some people more genuine.
One said, I don't know, you know, when him send you.
Okay.
Like one
okay.
But as I know, say chronic. Oh, was it like cigarettes? You are dealing with nicotine addictive.
You see what's so special about talking to you on this? You seem to be well informed about what you're doing because unim nicotine, which is an element in cigarette, unim caffeine. You are really educating me about some stuff. So it means that everything you do, the consequent now unim what is going in you near the adina. You seem learned. Yet says it as wadena.
So they are wadena. But they say major and me advise you to the more. Because time BC take things in and now they are obeying their life in the short. Obeying in the short. Because a baby new na me just smoking grass, you know. The boy me did my face.
What did he not throw up?
Me did of course me the share me once I ask me did we are I was me smoking. And so me did I was me smoking.
Baby just say tea crown now, but no man. Just say this offer appetizer. Tea crown. You say tea crown is all ship at made.
I can't wear money there.
I can't wear a material. The first experience with marijuana. Say you.
And no, me no, and mommy feel a bit calm. Mommy is very calm. Because some more ground you should
ding 3 miles the
because someone in this me feel. Mudim command was my team, the president Castle Biao.
Am I anti-social kakra?
Yeah, kind of.
Obviously, for Lucky Bonster, you go swallowing the chicken. We just want to delve into his experience with smoking and now jumping on anti-smoking campaign. Now, Minya Bema, I'm so happy seeing him in this state. Fresher, so fresh. We must say fanboys and more because I got to experience him at a stage when he was massively, and I say immensely into that art, and then Obetina looking all glowing and all that, and it feels humbling to know say someone who store one two different worlds, no, and then you share this experience. To boy can and yes, be try say be, but we know say some people are genuinely into it. Yes, be condemn, but I person yenya obia otebia no won bi a so influential no ka de o ma chewa what you say like Bonster na Nyankopon agina smoking ka ketua bi a talented musician like this drill by your mama GSC who are America and Kasamri and Kelusuno. So it's very expensive and we'll still talk more in his life as Samri. Now moving on, see the Oka now for circles no I new world among money at the day. Lucky, who chase on your mano? De say Oka say chrono and back with trim than near the
my engagement in that.
Meaning said now we had the B, that's a way that the beat next go fin now to me because I don't say a draw, but a draw. She on search. I am if you pass say on search. We share search here because Lucky Bonster first who na me chia no me you tuntum the end who to me say tuntum busy tuntum me but and then look his say tattoo ni who there but Charlie that when they jinyame ana people think tattoos have demonic signs and stuff so reason for the jinyame
there
America
me say me more about traditional beliefs.
Okay. Okay.
Me aside say he raised me from a Christian me ideology about God,
religion and don't believe in Jesus Christ.
I don't think so.
You used to believe when your father used to control you that time. Until at the point in time how Philly said Jesus, so you think Jesus Christ is a fallacy or something?
I can't tell.
What is your definition of a God?
A God, somebody supreme as a obia supreme intelligence, a bro,
so you mean that God exists? Nyame wo ho. Nyame bi wo ho. Supernatural
believe is funny say.
Funny say. You know there is a God.
I don't know.
So what do you pray to? Me hunyum bi o say o so ya no pa o de aseda man de o man kwa no.
Yeah.
O de aseda be man de o man kwa no. So who is the o man kwa na kan o sa hunyum nim?
And no like over traditional believer they can say unyam kropon. And Ukrainian and nimedion. Unyam that's glory, holy, almighty. Into supreme intelligence no one me I'm just alive and grateful. And I mean say me who be na to say o share with me share television and be churches ni bi bomb me 2 minutes Ghanaian America.
But are you prayerful? Like, do you pray?
There be 2 minutes grab my church.
But that 2 minutes on one hour, Boman. You said you believe God is a fiction, and then Jesus Christ is a fiction.
You see, I don't know.
You don't want to commit yourself. I understand, but okay, let's take it that way. But who did he say? Your supernatural being there be all owe some form because Senka be no one could be a bed or pill.
Yeah, definitely.
Are you getting it?
But me say, you want to say. Ye nipa ya was here sum ya homo.
Aha, nti Samre wo say wo ye me papa. Na I catch him say, menya so aketua. Why na was say o make it because my nya was papa now what happened to me? But is there me papa now you believe say I'll be paid in some way. Some way no why na be make sure say papa now I'm there and I'm paid.
Say fans no dey agye am God that.
So that is okay, understand. Understand. Okay, so I think that do you think that it's a project you want to take up? Say Ube Mountain anti-drugs campaign among musicians near that they know share experience. I feel it's a project I'll take it called schools and I say a year with your influence, no something. What only team might be sound.
I dream baby sound, but now my friend Charles Boston, I was get to phone.
Yeah, get to phone.
Then me guy mini super, Ghana super.
Yes.
Super say no, smoky pa.
Okay, yes, super. I know that.
And super so jai.
Okay.
Super wanted to stop smoking. But now, omo ben no to say ko nya. Me say wo. Super
Ben on any year project be ocean experience with Sakode HL. And then not say then no expect to Sakode or Sakode anyama.
Super say na o expect so ne Sakode be enyum. Sana no expect bet. Me won say super due to new maybe
no dia or new maybe one. And I said see the not tinting na Sakode empese or be associating itself with the
me sure me won say super on one cares to himself.
Okay.
Because super say no more into drugs on sound jot on weed. Start no name.
Nti ma to me say e be boni sha be Sata money your project no jai.
No me jai.
Okay, nti won so kwan be na ofa so boa no e mo be na de boa no e ma o tune fo na we.
Tune fo ya me bro e was all chill because in
na some nyum na energy odi rem so an hihia nka wonya sa energy no.
There be why who beat me energy. And you smoking and I call the energy.
All right, so we move into that, but let's wrap up on this conversation talking about your project. Now you have one of the biggest songs out there, Mugamu. Mugamu, I say street chant. Say them me share on sa. Jinya me go na so believe in Asante Amamre tete no. I say ye call war. Obunu man come out that page or snow. Sa na me hunu in today's. What inspired that track? Then move on to upcoming EP.
Mugamu say how's that way like face to face. And anything that you face to face, I say when your opponent. And music na me and me steady music na me working on project that before. Me voice of confidence.
Right.
And I me putting it down. Me working on album be am turning dreams to reality. Inti comedy. Song be near papa no onzi nya papa
right
ba Ghana na me say me di Mugamu beba Mugamu no na direct to musicians be to say medical Christian they talk more about money we also me go be approve say
money talk money okay
inti mimi only say those Okese Chris Wado medical those who talk
omo kasa
more about money inti you say it's really about money. I go be on the Forbes list.
I got the opportunity to witness who shoot a video. No, na me shini pa a poor show, and I'm be me say street be more nam cry to Mugamu get to near that song net ragged to and I was for and you na ye come once no. Oh dear, let's visit this, get to see it, and let's come back continue the conversation.
ITD. Yo, my nigga. Yo, Vinici. They be sleeping on me. Your talent display worldwide. With the mom nightmare. Fuck. Great music we always do. Survivor of the fittest. When you care, show who the richest. Rich or poor, we're telling the bet you'll play and take your chances. If it's truly about money, can be on the Forbes list with Bill Gates. These rappers talk too much, some of you real. In real life, they're more fake. Fake, real, I'm too real to fake shit. Yeah, too fake, you can take shit. With my army, we they say shit. Ube nyasem, aye, ube dantem. Like you want to my ginsem. Walk, make it come in some. My definition of real, say what you mean, me what you say. What if I would Jimmy kick and Symbia? I send by you find a way to escape. When him say hey, put the fake it to make it to fake lifestyle. No pepper, but bow, do to say rape. My trapper style on point, my rapper style on point. Rhyme scheme on point, too much accuracy in one boy. Storyline on point, food for thought on point. On point, now we got falling. I'm that man, I know they come joke for you, I know they come play for you. So serious, I'm so serious. I know they come joke for you, I know they come play for you. So serious, fuck, I'm so serious. Mugamu, Masakusa, Mugamu, Mebani Mugamu, Putu, Mebani Mugamu, Mugamu, Masakusa, Mugamu, Mebani Mugamu, Putu, Mebani Mugamu. For the rap, I got it, style, I got it, lyrics, I got it, content magic, voice fantastic, swag bombastic. Love it or hate it, you still checking my shit, natural mystic, I know you feeling my shit. Original version. Original no Nioma Canada bunch your body and sano and your country. What Filistano, you like it aggressive, I'm commando. What Filistano, you want it bloody, I'm Rambo. What Filistano, then jokes on yo, I'm Bob Santo. What Filistano, you best see idea, y'all gonna learn today. What you know about rap? Silly do, silly fool, military rehearsing time to get this move. You know nothing about that, I always soon. I hold on desperately, I feel my dream stardom. Maybe I didn't chair Malcolm. Nigga move on my way to stardom. He'll be able to on my way to stardom. One star champion, with stardom. Maybe I didn't chair Malcolm. Nigga move on my way to stardom. He'll be able to on my way to stardom. One star champion. I know they come joke for you. I know they come play for you. So serious, I'm so serious. I know they come joke for you. I know they come play for you. So serious, fuck, I'm so serious. Mungemu, Masakusa, Mungemu, Mebani Mungemu, Putu, Mebani Mungemu, Mungemu, Masakusa, Mungemu, Mebani Mungemu, Putu, Mebani Mungemu, 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 Mebani Mungemu, Mebani Mungemu, 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 Mebani Mungemu, Mebani Mungemu.
So, eti wo share energy WhatsApp video we mu pa na say enyum no spirit woman kasa am for crazy as a courtesan bi ni ade because unya tattoos no ni ade because spirit now there I think there is one of the songs that people really relate to, especially the Zongo communities, and then because it's relating to the energy of the shape. Is it on your new album?
Yeah, it's on the new
first track of
the reality album now.
It's an album or EP? Album per how many collections?
18
songs.
If you grab a
18 songs. No, but you guys, how do you finance such a project at this stage of
the thing is,
I was also said that the beat to do rap because of Oscar.
Like we music, you need to have a source of income.
Yeah, sure.
Because when you have a source of income, I do best say, and I
like. I bet me walk with depression, mama, or no me.
And easy about.
Scabian, but also person hitting.
Also person hitting. You need to have a source of income. And we are lucky enough for which mania. If you are, maybe say for instance, appear and record me.
Okay.
Appear what go signing me or go new mama me.
Oh, okay. And shout out to Appear. I think it's one of the blessings in production we've had in America. No. Yeah. This year we are hoping so better producer of the year because our poetry hit records be including Mugamu, Flake, Face, Kidimo, Dead People. I mean, he's done an amazing job. So okay, you are co-signed to Appear. Yeah. Okay, to our new member.
And presenting multimedia. I'm going to show me video.
Okay.
Okay. I project me will be a pushing to her. And other people, my friends' name. Me penny, our Germany, friend, my money, and at the Menini Wagana, King James. On we maybe go boom up and one. Oh, Charlie, I can't to a big out there. I can't get to it. I don't know, see the North Massa, catch you, book on your moon, I don't know, maybe a state performance because maybe who said, who move crowd and I'm in Tiwon that. It's no M1 said, but this I did the class I'm performing.
Yes, I remember. This is like 4 years or 5 years ago or something like But all the same, congratulations. I mean, you're part of those people. I'm Mama Americano, there and with your voice and everything. But I hope, say you never ever. You have to promise your fans that you never ever return to smoking.
Oh, they mean Kobe. Smoking there, I'm not going back to smoking.
Because a man is a voice near the Jebiana about the Mamco Chimkakrane handsome voice.
It was a mistake. It was very healthy.
Yeah.
Life, yeah, dear. Maybe what 10 gram if
Diago, yes. Alright, so what's the name of the album?
Dreams to Reality.
Dreams to Reality.
Yeah.
18 solid songs.
A bit more brumpo.
Management this idea. But Lucky Born Star RTD, no? What does the RTD stand for?
RTD, actually, real talent display.
Real talent, because the social media handles now Lucky Born Star RTD. Then I say, okay, real talent. Because yes, I've seen your team in that outfit anytime you are performing a movie. Like, who are huge fan base at this stage of your career, pal?
The thing is, also music, no. There was a Obi ordinary dream full music, Obi did not come. And I don't want to do die fans, no.
Okay.
No. the other now come and they don't expect much.
Okay.
Or present maybe I want posting a picture, or message.
So reply these little things. Or posting on
the street, on
a vibe. Okay.
Oh, and almost necessarily the dream, and I mean, saying what time where it would be.
Okay. Some rent here, we drew a level be a do be crab cassette, and they say, May I can't remember. Some of the artists have shared their experience with me. Say, Obikraze, one of American artists said, Oko Jogi will fear be him, and Onisha Tawali, a bay and you. Afe, Uncle Jogi need be until a month was a mamina. Oko jogging with Shane say, oh, yeah, start ready on the jogging. Funny fear, you move. I mean, look at some of this. So, I know moving on, people are going to have this lucky ball start ready. They say they're Ghana, Africa, and Kadir. It's a growth process, so you have to expect it. All the same, please announce your social media handles and let's wrap up on this conversation.
On Facebook, Lucky Ball Star RTD, and RTD Worldwide, and only a Facebook page.
Right.
And on Twitter, so RTD Worldwide, and Lucky Ball Star with an arrow. Our near 2. And on IG see a Lucky Monster and RTD Worldwide. And on YouTube see RTD Music.
A 20 no for there now paper. A 2 had no for had dinner which is
funny me.
And be there won't near the full person. A 20 no for near. Ass or boost, which one is winning?
Ass very winning.
Wife or ass power. So who's that chia wife?
Chia wife.
Okay, so this is where time will allow us. This has been the Pamuka Show. Very revealing. Thank you for coming. And I hope, sir, we will take care of this project now. To me, I am very beneficial to society. My name has been Portfolio the MC, and this is Pamuka Show. Pamuka!